Welcome to Top 10 Analytics. Get your daily top 10 dose with us.
Top 10 collectible items you don't wanna lose. Fine art and jewelry. The world's most expensive painting to sell at auction is Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi, which sold for $450.3 million on November 15, 2017 at Christie's. Wine. Costing a whopping $500,000 for a single bottle, the most expensive wine in the world is Screaming Eagle Cabernet Sauvignon 1992, cost more than an average home. Over the years, the Cabernet has topped several of the world's most expensive wine lists. It eventually sold at a charity auction in 2000. The wine is aged in 60% new oak and has an aroma of blackcurrants, a subtle trace of oak, and an opaque purple appearance. Stamp. The rarest and most valuable stamp in the world is the British Guiana 1C Magneta, which holds an estimated value of 9 million euros. A delivery of stamps from London to British Guiana in 1856 had been delayed, and so the 1C Magneta was created in limited numbers to ensure continued trade and communications on the island. Dolls and toys. It's not only a doll, but an automaton. It works on over 2000 different pieces of metal parts. At 4 feet tall, this doll comes with a sword, flute, pair of singing birds, and embroidered Renaissance garland. After being bound with a golden key, the bird trainer plays on his flute, his eye dart around, and the birds singing along and move. There is no electricity involved, only springs and gears. This work was created in a Swiss workshop by 12 craftsmen, led by Chris Bell, and it cost $6.2 million.
Trading cards. Wagner was as dominant as any baseball player to ever take the field, leading the big leagues in every major offensive category over the early part of the 20th century. To honor his accomplishments, he was one of the first 5 players inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame when the museum held its first election in 1936. Also known as the Jumbo Wagner because of its size, Wagner's cards sold for $2.8 million in 2007, but in 2016, that record would be eclipsed when a buyer through Goldin Auctions paid $3.12 million for the card, setting a world record that still stands. Today, the card's estimated value has more than doubled to $7.5 million. Classic cars. The Ferrari 250 GTO is the holy grail of car collectors. Only 36 were ever built, and this particular legendary motor car is worth more than Keynes and Kim Kardashian's house. It smashed car auction sales record by selling for $48.405 million in 2018. Coins and currency. If only every dollar in your pocket was worth $10 million, unfortunately there is just $1 in the world that has achieved this value. At auction, it is the flowing hair dollar 1794. You are probably wondering, what makes this dollar so special compared to the dollars that are currently in circulation? Well, the highest value dollar of all time was the first dollar ever issued by the United States federal government. The coin dates back to either 1974 or 1975 and is made of 90% silver and 10% copper. Comic books. Dominating the top spot, the most expensive comic books in the world is Action Comics has shown CGC 9.0, viewed by many fans as being the holy grail of comic collectibles. It features the debut of Jerry Siegel and Joe Shuster's historic Superman. In 2014, this 9.0 CGC ranked copy sold for a massive $3.2 million, making it the most expensive comic book in the world. Vinyl Records. Wu-Tang Clan's Once Upon a Time in Shaolin cost $2 million. The Wu-Tang Clan only made one copy of this particular album back in 2015. There was a contract associated with the album that said whoever buys the album was not allowed to sell or profit from it for 100 years. However, the buyer could release the album for free at any time. The buyer ended up being the CEO of Turing Pharmaceuticals, and he paid the price of $2 million for the record. Antique furniture. The badminton cabinet is the most expensive piece of antique furniture sold of all time. This intricately ornate cabinet was constructed in Florence and is inlaid with precious stones. Many consider this piece of furniture to be a work of art, and it once belonged to the third Duke of Beaufort. The cabinet was sold by his descendants in 2004. Everyone waited with bated breath as this antique went under the hammer, and even experts were shocked when it sold for a monumental $36.7 million. Thank you. Please like us, comment your top 10 choices you would like to see on our channel, share it, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for latest updates and notifications.